turn the music down. I'm gonna try to vlog today, well, this weekend, because I got a lot going on. Yeah, so I'm on my way to help my friend set up for her friends, well, mutual friends, baby shower. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that because I don't know how interesting that's gonna be, like that's setting up, but just wanted to let you know. Okay, bye.
Good, but if you don't like pasta, that's a different stuff.
Oh, can I have the buffalo chicken sandwich?
Buffalo chicken sandwich? It's spicy, you know that.
Is it really spicy?
Buffalo sauce, it's spicy.
Can you come back to me? You just miss me all. Maybe I should just get it. Yeah, get it and then just dip it in sauce. I need to build my tolerance up. He said specifically it's spicy. That scares me. I'm like, should I get side of the border? I don't know. Shredded chicken. Should I get half like ribs? That's crazy. Oh, enchiladas. My heart is set on this buffalo chicken sandwich. So, what should we talk about in this vlog? After I leave here, I'm gonna get my nails done. Look at these. A hot mess. Food look nasty, Loki. I just got back home. I'm horrible vlogger. I forgot to vlog me getting my nails done. I don't know. I just forgot. And yeah, I got my eyebrows done too. I'm pretty picky when it comes to my eyebrows. So I was happy with the way she did them. I just have to fill them in a little bit. You know. Oh, I have a friend. Say hey to Oscar. You know, I always got that one friend that be hating. #1 hater in my life right now. But I blame Aunt Flo. You know how that go if you're a woman. Anyway, wanna look at my nails? I ended up getting a full set. Got these like coffin nails. And I like them. They're a little long for me, but I like them. Makes me feel like a woman. Well, man, not woman. Good morning. So let's address the elephant in the room. I mean, we all met my friend yesterday. What's his name? Oscar? Edgar? Yeah. Excuse my pimple cream. This is real life. This is what I do, okay? But anyway, I'm looking crusty right now. It's okay. I am about to work out. And then I'm gonna try to go visit some apartments because I have to move. So that's what I'm gonna do. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the remix. Come back, come back, come back. Despacito, deja que te diga dame un beso despacito, dame un beso suave. Okay, I don't quite know the words, but so I'm in my beauty room. It's a mess, a freaking mess. But I'm gonna go through my vanity and throw away some stuff, anything that's expired or I don't use, and then clean my brushes because it's been a hot minute since I've done that. My highlighters. I have the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow, this one. Then I have the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is the MAC Gold Deposit. This is my favorite highlighter. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, but it's like a shimmery powder. It's pretty. And then I have Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I have the Nicole Guerrero, her highlighting kit, which I really love. This color, Daydream. It's like so bomb for black girls. Love it. Yeah, so my eyeshadow palettes, I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is nice. I love it. I have the Morphe 350 palette, which I like it. I have the Sweet Peach palette. Don't really use this one that much, but it smells good. It smells like peaches. I have the Modern Renaissance palette, Anastasia. I really need to use these more because it's ridiculous. I have them, but I don't use them. Oh, this was my favorite for a long time. This was my very first makeup palette, the eyeshadow palette that I bought when I first got into makeup in 2015, the summertime. This is the Anastasia World Traveler palette. This was my jam. Like, yeah, it's a lot of things I have to try out. Threw away some things. Feel like I did good. I downsized. I did good. I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes and then do something else. I don't know. Go to this apartment. But yeah, okay, bye-bye. So I finished cleaning my makeup brushes. Yeah, that took me a long time. So now I'm about to throw some makeup on, even though my brushes are wet. So we'll see how this is gonna go. All right, I'm about to throw some makeup on real quick because I gotta cover Oscar, aka this big pimple. And then yeah, I'm gonna go to that apartment that I was telling you guys about. Let me pause the music. So let me just show y'all what I got going on here. I don't feel like setting up my tripod, so I have the camera sitting up here. Ghetto rigs. Had to rig it up real quick. But anyway, yeah, I need this powder. I said all that to say I need this powder. Oh wait, I didn't put concealer on. What am I doing? I'm all discombobulated. So I have to get a palette from this pile of that the camera's on. I feel like I'm playing Jenga. Like, am I gonna be able to remove the palette without dropping the camera? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh! I was not able to do it, if you can't tell. The next time I see you guys, I'll be in the car going to this apartment. Yeah. Cool. Bye. Okay, so I'm back. Going to my favorite place in the whole wide world. Target. Whole Target. Let me stop before I get hit by a car.